Sending a zipped file in Gmail is actually very simple, and today I'll teach you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is sign into your Gmail account. Once that's done, to send the zip file, you're definitely going to need to compose an email. You're going to include the receiver's email. You're going to include a subject, and then you're going to include the body of the email. Now once you're done writing all of this, to send the zipped file, you're going to come to attach, and you're going to click on attach files. Now here you can see this is a zip file because it has the .zip extension. Once you click on it and you click on open, it's going to get attached to your email and you can send it to the receiver automatically. Now that's how you send a zip file in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.